Buenos días, la clase de 2 y 3. Yes, this is the classes standard 2 and 3. You will be doing the same thing together, all right? And you will be designing. I am just going to show you the basic things and you're going to design. So here it is. It begins with my face mask, a disposable mask. I just did my little designs, my crayons on it, okay? I prefer not markers. If you have acrylic paints, fine. Because remember, we want to keep the filter still working. And yes, we can be creative, but careful. All right. Don't forget when you have to take off your mask, hold it at the ends here, right? It's a disposable mask, but we could have fun on Valentine's Day. We could also take our disposable mask and design it. So I want to see this in your design. Okay. And let's see what we're doing for Valentine's Day. Okay. So let me start at the beginning here. Okay, so we are looking at an accordion pop-up. So standard twos and standard threes. I am just showing you the basics, but you are the designer. You're going to design it, and I must see the features that I am showing you to do. So the first thing, we're going back to our crayon and wash. We did this before, right? And now we are going to incorporate our knowledge. Taking a normal piece of paper, your sketchpad page, you can apply your crayon patterns. The symbols associated with Valentine's Day are the hearts. The colors are normally pink, red, and white. So you can use your crayons, use your oil pastels. This is the outer covering of your card. Remember, we use the wash on it, and you have the option. Remember, we learned to wash the entire page in one flat color. You can mix it. You can make it light and dark, which is what I showed. The option is yours. It's optional. You do what you want. But I must see your use of crayons with the wash. And the colors I'm looking for are red, pink, and white. No other color. Okay, let's have some fun. So we're getting ready for the inside of the card, which is an accordion. Well, we all know the accordion, a fan, right? So you're going to take your page, paint your page your color. I chose pink. If you wanted white, red, fine. Any color you want, and you make the accordion. Remember, the accordion is a fan. And we all learned how to make fans from first year infants. Just fold it in, out, in, out, in, out, right? The size is optional. Right. Now we are going to make our hearts. Remember, when you make your heart, you've got to fold the paper in half, right? So I folded my paper in half, and remember, it's an elongated C on your line of symmetry. So where you fold the line, that's where you're making your elongated C. Then you will get your hearts, okay? The number of hearts that you want to count out is optional, whether you want red hearts, pink hearts, white hearts, the choice is yours. You are designing. Now we're working on the accordion. On the accordion, you put the hearts where you want it. I just did this. It is up to you where you want to put the hearts. You stick it on the accordion, leaving this end alone and leaving this end alone. But the base here, you must glue it together. All right. So the inside of the card, I used another paper because I wanted to have it layered. You stick one side down first, leave it to dry, and then you stick the other side. Remember, when you're using glue, you need to always wait for it to dry properly, or else you're going to get problems. Inside of your card, I must see the words, "You are loved forever." Romans 8, chapter 38 to 39. So even though it's Valentine's Day and we often write Happy Valentine's Day, I want you to remember scripturally that God was the first lover. You are loved forever. And that's what God says. And that is why we love. Okay? So I want you to look at my card now. So this is my card. This is the basic. You are the designer. So here it is. I have my crayons, my wash. I must see that. It's front and back. The inside of my card, I put a red paper inside which I painted and a white. It's optional for what you want to do. Okay? If you want to make one accordion, two accordion, three accordion, if you want it, now notice what your accordion is a fan. You put your hearts on it on the way you want it. I must see on the inside, you are loved forever. Romans 8, 38 to 39. You will design the order in which you want. Red, pink, white. You are the designer. Okay? All right, girls. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget safe practices. Always put on your mask. Social distancing. Adios.